Welcome to the Highway Holster installations video. We will be going through steps 4, 5, and 6. This is a continuation from the first video on assembling the mount system. First, we want to adjust the mount to the gap in your vehicle. Go ahead and first off adjust the seat back so you can expose the seat buckle. Then next you want to adjust your strap mount and your support strut to the height desired. Mostly it's best to have it below the seat. You then will wrap your cinch straps around the buckle as such. Keep this free of any straps or mounting parts. And then that's that. Okay. Next, we will apply the bungee straps to underneath the seat, and we will have to move the camera for that. Okay, this is a continuation on from installing the mount in the gap. Now we were going to attach the bungee cords to underneath the seat. As you'll see, there's some holes in the bottom of the pan. That's ideal for installing this in this application. You could also go around the base of the seat. Sometimes you only just need one bungee cord or a tie strap. But for the best security, it's good to have two sides anchored down. So I will attach this strap. You got big hands. All right, put that hook cord in there. And then this hook cord can go in the same spot. Okay, we got a pretty good anchor. Okay, next, make sure that the mount is stable. All right, and you can go ahead and install your firearm. Like so. This concludes the installations video. If you have further questions, you can reach us at www.highwayholster.com. Thank you.